Hey everyone, I've got another quick video for you today, this time on data alerts in Power BI. Data alerts are a really good way for you to be automatically notified when one of your KPIs goes above or below a certain threshold. So I've gone ahead here and set up a dashboard of my own. This one is looking at gross margin and revenue for a fictitious supermarket sales chain. One of the KPIs that I really want to monitor closely is gross margin. So what I'm going to do is hover over the ellipses on the gross margin KPI card. Then I'm going to go to Manage Alerts. And then from here, I'll add a new alert rule. And for this one, I specifically want to get alerted if the gross margin goes below 4.8%. One thing you'll note here is that the data has to be in numeric format. You can't put in a percentage, you actually have to put it as a decimal. From there you can click Save and Close. And at that point, the data alert will have been set up for you. So now that the data alert is set up, you should receive an email as well as a notification within the top toolbar whenever the gross margin goes below 4.8%. So now when I navigate back to my Power BI sales dashboard, I'm noticing that the gross margin has now dipped to 1.5%. And we can also see that there's some notifications there around that gross margin. And there's also a notification at the top toolbar. If I click into it, I can learn more. Finally, you will also get an email from Microsoft that'll look something like this. So this will show up in your actual inbox. As you can see, this is a really quick and easy way to get alerted when some of your KPIs go above or below your specified thresholds. And it's a really good way to make sure that you're taking action whenever the data changes. If you guys have any more questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks.